Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of aesthetic delight as you explore our comprehensive home decor collection, meticulously curated to transform your living spaces into heavens of style and comfort, from exquisite wall art that captures the essence of contemporary trends to plush collection and throws that infuse warmth into every corner. Our diverse range caters to every taste and preference. Immerse yourself in a symphony of colors, textures, and designs that harmonize seamlessly to reflect your unique personality. Whether you seek minimalist elegance or vibrant electric vibes, our collection offers a spectrum of choice to fulfill your vision. Indulge in a luxury of handcrafted furniture pieces, each telling a story of craftsmanship and sophistication. Illuminate your surroundings with our designer lighting fixtures, casting a luminous spell that enhances the ambience. Dive into the world of quality materials, timeless designs, and innovative concepts, ensuring that every item in our collection is a statement piece. Elevate your home decor experience with us, where style meets substance in a celebration of form and function. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.